In the next minute, I'm going to tell you exactly what you get with your Trusted Signals membership. So as you guys can see right here to the left, you guys have the Trusted Signals Hunter. This bot is a crazy win rate. Everything is fully back testable, and everything that happens on your charts will happen on your broker via AutomatedTrader. As you guys can see here, the Trusted Signals Hunter gives you the entry, the take profit 1, the take profit 2, and it's going to also take partials whenever these are reached. And then as well, it's going to go ahead and give you the ability to fire proper risk management directly into your broker. If you want to go ahead and trade using fixed lot, equity, or dollar base, you guys can. And every alert is going to fire into your broker via AutomatedTrader's webhook. And as you guys can see here, this thing is super easy to use. All you have to do is set up the webhook once, copy the URL, add the alert on Tradingview, and that's it. You guys are hooked up. If you guys want to go ahead and get access to the Automated Trader, you guys can go to AutomatedTrader.com. But keep in mind that if you guys are Trusted Signals lifetime members, you guys are going to get access to 1 free account today. You guys can go ahead and join us on Trusted Signals. You guys can use code FINAL50 and you're going to go ahead and get 1 free account to go ahead and start automating your trading today. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside, and happy automating.